Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Twitter username. Easy guide. So let's get started. So here we are in twitter.com, and first of all make sure that you're logged in, and then from here we're gonna go into our profile and click on profile right here at the right side, and then from here you should be able to see that you have this one is your Twitter name, and this one is the username, and this is what we want to change. And you can find it here in edit profile because you can only change your name right here. So we will need to click here on more, click more, and from here click settings and privacy. And now from here what we're going to need is you're going to click here on your account and click here on your account information right here. So click on that right here. So from here you would need to get a password. And now after you have input your password and click on confirm, then you should be seeing the account information here now. So you can see the username, phone, email, and so on. In this case, let's click on username. And from here, I'm just gonna change my username into something different. So let's go for Kyle Tudors right here. And then once you're done, then you can click on save. And now as you can see, as you can see in my case, I see that sorry, you are rate limited right here. So this is because I have changed too often my username. So you would need to be careful when you are changing your username. You don't want it to be often, or else there would be some errors. So yeah. And then the next thing is that you want to go into your profile, and then you can see that it would now be updated right here. So you can just refresh, and then as you can see, mine is now changed. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.